You see, we live our lives as if we are the owners of life itself. We live our lives as if we are custodians of life. But you have forgotten that Bible says that God has given us a boundary. God has given us an edge. God has given us a particular time that when you get to that point in time, you are not turning back. Refi, have you forgotten? And also, okay, if you have forgotten that one, let us put that one aside. Have you also forgotten that Hebrews chapter 9 verse 27 says that it is appointed? You are always looking for appointment letter. I need an appointment. Today I am telling you that the greatest appointment letter that you should fight for, that you should work towards, is appointment unto death.
Me